to give a special shout out to James G. Boswell Foundation. With your support, we're able to do things like this. I have zero background mechanics. My mom is a trucker, so she would work on her truck a lot, and I always wondered, how did that engine work, or how did she know how to fix it? I started off not knowing much about engines, but slowly and slowly, Mr. AB, Cosmo, Mr. Logan, they all helped us out.
I'm definitely learning a lot. I had a small concept of how an engine works, but we're diving deeper into it, learning about the certain components and how each part works together. So definitely a deeper knowledge of how an engine works.
It's very hands-on, and I feel like it really boosts my confidence. They really don't hold your hand, only when they need to, which is, I find, great.
Being hands-on is a big difference and helps me learn easier than writing down notes. After I graduate, I'm looking forward to coming to COS and taking this class.
Confidence comes in time, and you'll find yourself being someone pretty different from when you started.